Hey guys, today we are going to make a day and night animation in PowerPoint. The day and night animation will look like this. So now let's jump into the video to learn how to make the day and night animation. So to make the day and night animation, we need a blank slide. For this, we just need to delete this text box. And now we will add a background picture. So for the background picture, we'll go to pictures in the image group and then we will click online pictures. So I'll type animated meadow. So now I want like this picture for the background, and then I'll just increase the size. Let me just adjust it. So we got this picture, and now I want to add the sun. So we go to online pictures again, and then we will search animated sun. So I will use this sun for now. Oh, this has white background. If you want, you could go to picture format and remove the background. Wait, let me delete the text. Or you could simply change to another picture. You could click here and then change the background, or you could choose another picture. So I'll go again to online pictures because that was copyright picture. Now I will go online pictures again and make that sun. I will choose the sun. Okay, we'll shrink the size and then we will go background. I remove background of the picture. We'll click mark areas to keep so that we can mark the areas which we want to keep. So we do like this. Like this. Here we go. Now we will shrink the size little more and then we will bring to the middle. We can if you want, you can use the guides so that we can check where is the middle. So I'll just click the left arrow click, okay, and then now we will add some animation. So for the sun's animation, I want it to move like an arc to show the sunrise and the sunset. So for that, I'll go to the animation, add animation, and go to motion parts and click arc. But now the sun is going downwards in the arc movement. So for that, I'll flip over the arc animation and then I will keep it like this. Then we'll go here, we'll adjust it, we'll increase the size till the end of the slide, and we'll increase the height of the arc like this much. So now we'll get like this animation. The sun is too fast, so I'll just keep it as 4 seconds and I'll keep it with previous so that the animation can come automatically. So now we got a day animation. Now for the ninth animation, we need this picture and duplicate it. You can duplicate it by using Control D, or you can copy and paste. So for now, for the ninth animation, we will go to corrections and you can see the brightness and contrast. But if you don't like the options you have here, you can go to the picture correction options and then you could adjust it. So here I will go here. This is better. And now we will wait 1 minute. And now we will add the one to our slide. So we'll go to the pictures and online pictures, and then we will type animated moon. So we got this picture and we will insert this to our slide. Okay. You don't need to use this picture because it's a copyrighted picture. But for an example, I will just use this picture. Use the copyright pictures at your own risk. Better use other pictures. So we'll keep this here. Let's see. And now for the animation of the moon, we will use the animation painter and then click on the moon. So we got the arc animation of the moon. And now we will give this background picture, the night background picture, as a fade. So we can get like this and we'll keep it as 4 seconds too. And now we'll get like this animation. Wait, never mind, 1 minute. As you saw, the animation, the moon and the sun came together. To avoid this, we need to go to animation pane and then we will go here, and then for this picture, the background picture, we will put after previous. So that means that like after the sun's animation finish, then the night animation will start. So now we'll get like this animation. So the sunrise and sunset, and then the moonrise and the moonset. So now you can bring this animation, I can bring the animation to day by just using this photo, this picture, and then click add animation, and then click fade in the exact group. So now we get like this. Now we can use, we have to use after previous, and we'll duplicate the sun which we used before. So so now we can see our preview. Wait, we'll again we'll choose this picture, and then this picture animation, the fade, and then put 4 seconds, and now we'll see the preview. So as the sunrise, then the sunset, and now the moonrise and the moonset. Again the sunrise and the sunset. you can get multiple 9-10 day animations by just copy, like you can simply uh, copy and paste by selecting it fully, and then yeah, now adjust it. And now yeah, just you have to just remove the this day picture. Here we go. Now we got the animation, we got two times and day and night animation. I mean 3 day animations and 2 night animation. There we go. The sunrise and sunset, and then the moonrise and then moonset, and then the sunrise and the sunset, again the moonrise and the moonset, and at last the sunrise and the sunset. You after this, after you're done, you could go to view and then like click again the guides so that you don't need it. And now you got your day and night animation. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and family.